In this video, we are going to see how we can auto hide the taskbar without the need to activate Windows. Let's say that you want to hide the taskbar in order to increase the space for the screen. But if you right click and go to some of the settings, you will notice that you are not able to perform many actions, including the hide taskbar option. So here's a quick solution for you that we can make in the registry. What you only have to do is you have to just follow the link that I will mention with the description of this video. So what you do, as soon as you copy the complete path from the description, you just go to run from the start menu and just write here regedit, or you can write it directly here, regedit, which is a registry editor. Click yes to open this up. Now guys, I always recommend you that before you make any kind of changes with the registry editor, it's always the best idea to take the backup, like exporting the registry editor. So if anything goes wrong, you can always import it back. So what you do is just click on the file, click on export, and you choose any safe location where you want this registry to be saved. Name this with .reg and save it. So whenever you want to import it back, you just choose the same location and it will be restored. So anyways, instead of manually going through all of these links, what I do is, instead of that, we will just paste the link right here. Paste it, hit enter, and you will directly land into this section. So as you can see, it's chosen here from the link as well. You don't have to manually access it from every different area. After that, just go to the settings. And what we only have to do is just, you don't need to understand all these codes. We just have to replace this 02 with 03. So let me just press a backspace when we are next to this 0. Just put a backspace and write 03 here. That's it. Click OK. And after that, either you can restart your computer altogether, or what you can do is just right click and click on Explorer, or just press Control Alt and Delete. Go to the Task Manager. Under the processes, you just search for Windows Explorer. Here it is. Just right click and restart this. But as you can see, it was not saved properly, so it doesn't work. 03, click OK, and make sure once you save it, just click on it again to make sure it is fixed at this point. Let's go to the Explorer again. Click on the Task Manager, go to Windows Explorer, right click and restart this. And now, as you can see, it is auto hiding automatically, even though we cannot activate the Windows at this moment. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.